Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to embed a Twitter feed in your Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open this website called elfsite.com, and once you're here, hover over on widgets and here you'll find Twitter feed. So click on that and click on create widget. Select a template to start with and then click on continue with this template and click on connect to Twitter. And it may ask you to log into Twitter account using your Twitter email address and password. And once you connect it, now you have to enter here your Twitter username, or you can select hashtag testimonials to add your Twitter link here, and then go to layout, and now you can change the width and height of the feed, and go to style. You can change the style. Go to advanced, you can add custom CSS here. And once you finish, click on join to install. And now if you're first time on Elf site, here you have to sign up, or if you have an account, then click on login to log in into your account. So I'm going to signing up for now. Click on sign up and then click on save and select a plan to install Twitter feed on your Shopify. You can select any of them, but right now I'm going to select in this light and copy this code and go to your Shopify admin panel, online store, and click on customize, and then select that page where you want to add the Twitter feed, and scroll down to the left hand side and select add section. And now you have to select custom code or custom HTML, and after selecting the custom code or custom HTML, you have to enter your code inside of custom HTML section, and after that your Twitter feed will be visible here. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.